Today, we are going to delve into a topic that has captivated and enchanted us all: space travel. This subject, seemingly lifted from the pages of a science fiction film, invites us to explore together how it unfolds step by step. The staggering phases of space exploration tell an incredible tale of how we push the boundaries of the sky. The video you are about to watch extends an invitation to embark on this extraordinary journey with us, step by step. So, let's embark on a journey into the depths of space together and witness this adventure filled with exploration, preparation, and training. Astronauts undergo extensive training before embarking on a space mission. This process includes various topics such as the use of the spacecraft, scientific research, training for hazards and emergency situations, and physical readiness. Launching. The spacecraft is usually launched from the Earth's surface by a rocket. The launch phase provides the significant amount of energy required for the rocket to reach the necessary speed to exit Earth's atmosphere. Entering orbit. Once in space and beyond the Earth's atmosphere, the spacecraft can freely move. After entering Earth's orbit, the spacecraft can be directed toward its intended orbit to reach a destination or perform specific tasks. Reaching the destination. The spacecraft is often programmed to reach a specific destination. This could be another planet, moon, satellite, space station, or other astronomical objects. The spacecraft is designed to reach the destination and accomplish predefined tasks. Mission execution. Astronauts or automated systems conduct specific scientific research, measurements, or other tasks during the space mission. Information is collected, experiments are conducted, and necessary steps are taken to achieve the mission's objectives. Return to Earth. After completing the mission, the spacecraft returns to Earth's orbit. The spacecraft typically re-enters the Earth's atmosphere and separates from the capsule or module. The capsule, upon entering the Earth's atmosphere, slows down due to friction and is directed toward a designated area. Descent and recovery. The capsule lands in water or on land. The capsule carrying the spacecraft often falls into the sea or on land. At this stage, recovery teams retrieve the astronauts from the capsule and bring them back safely. Space travel is a complex process that requires significant engineering, technology, and coordination efforts. These journeys aim to provide space exploration, scientific research, and technological advancements. Today has been a great pleasure for me, and I hope you, too, are feeling more informed and excited about space travel. We took a step-by-step journey into the cosmic unknown and explored the depths of space together. This space odyssey not only showcases the remarkable advancements in technology but also reflects the immense courage and spirit of exploration within humanity. The determination and dedication of our scientists, engineers, and, of course, our astronauts are truly commendable. Right now, I want to express my gratitude for joining me on this video and exploring the wonders of space together. Until next time, keep your curiosity for the sky alive. Wishing you all healthy and discovery-filled days ahead.